Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is Sunday and I'm wearing my favorite sweatshirt that I got from TJ Maxx, and I also got this beautiful mug from Marshalls, and it's the Ray and Dunn. I'm sure you guys can tell from just looking at this, and it says slay, so I'm slaying on this Sunday. And yeah, iPad here, I'm sharing my items today. Everything is a little pink in this office. I have to apologize. I am obsessed with pink, neutrals, and whites, so you're gonna see me in a lot of those. Today I have accessories, so I have shoes, bags and belts, boots and everything in this basket. So I'm just gonna go through them and then I'll place them on the other side. So yeah, so if you're new here, my name is Vivi. I am a full-time Poshmark seller, a lifestyle blogger, and a social worker. Welcome. And if you guys could please like, comment, and subscribe, I would highly appreciate that. Thank you. And let's get started with this haul before my sons wake up. So first I have this beautiful Sherpa little backpack. I'm not sure if it's focused, and it just has a gold hardware going on in the black leather, and in the back it has the leather stripes, and this is so pretty. I wanted to keep it for myself, but I have too many stuff I need to get rid of, so I thought I will show this in the video. If you're interested, you can DM me. It will be in my Poshmark closet. This newer tag, it still has the plastic covering on the hardware, and there's no flaw whatsoever. It's perfect for the season, for Christmas gifts, so check my closet out. Next I have this beautiful Tory bag. I think the color is a taupe, although it looked grayish and tan to me. I don't know, I might be colorblind, but yeah, so I love the station. It's good enough for everyday use, and my iPad fits in there, so I'm sure my girlfriend Emma little laptop can fit in here too. So yeah, so this is a work bag, and she's a minimalist, so I hope she don't try to snatch this before any of you guys get to it, but it will be listed in my Poshmark closet. So that's it for bags. I will start with the hats. So let me just say something, because I bought, I think it's 3 different wool hats, 3 or 4, and it's sold within like couple weeks. I mean, some of them, one of them sold like 1 week, the next one the next week. So I thought I should pick more up because I think people are liking this. I can't really pull this off. I've tried. Look at this, and I'm like, I think I should just sell them. It looks better on other people, not me. But yeah, so I have this beautiful color. It's that camel kind of color wool, and I really like how it has like the leather stripe detail around the hat. This is 100% wool, and it will look pretty on somebody. Next is another wool hat. I really like the details also. This one is not really leather, it's like a string around the hat, camel brownish, I'm not sure, but it's perfect for the season, and I really like the style. So I have this beautiful gray 100% wool hat. I really like the detailing around it, and I think this too would be perfect for any outfit, and it's perfect for this season. So I really like the pretty details around it. Last hat I will be listing will be this beautiful black hat, and the detail also belt style buckle around the hat, and I really like it. And yeah, like I said, I can't pull this off at all. Like, I don't even know how you style this, but I've seen my girlfriends look really great in it, and it's a 100% polyester, and this would just go with any outfit. I wish I could wear hats and put it off. Like, seriously, I really admire seeing it on other people. But yeah, some things are not for everybody, so I have to learn that. That's it for the hats. Next is the shoes. So it's all shoes and belts. So let me just do the shoes first. All right, so it's the DV, and I'm sure you guys are familiar with this brand. This is like new because look at the bottom of it. It hasn't been worn, and I'm sure somebody's looking for something like this for vacation, or if they're traveling somewhere warm. Oh, it's not the season, but I always pick stuff up that I know will sell, because there's always somebody out there looking for stuff that are out of season and stuff that are in season. So just something in my closet for everybody. So yeah, so I'll be listing these. And this is a size 9. This is my size. I was really tempted to keep it. Next we have this nude platform sneakers from Steve Madden. This I pulled out of my closet because it's a little tight for me, and I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of it. It's a size 8.5, in great condition. I'm not seeing any flaw whatsoever except for the bottom that is like a little dirty. But yeah, so I will be listing these. I have to let them go, but I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. So, and I'm trying to clean out my closet. I have way too many stuff. Every time I walk into my closet, I feel overwhelmed. Get rid of stuff little by little out of my closet. So next we have this beautiful mule. Look at the details on this. It's a size 9.5. The brand is White Mountain. I like the designs in the front, and it has a little flaw right here, but with a little bit of TLC, it should be good to go. But it's a 9.5, and look at the bottom. And yes, so I'll be listing this, and this also matched my bag. I was tempted to keep this, but I don't think I'm gonna do that because it's a little big. Although sometimes I get away with 9.5, I'm a 9.5. But although I try to get away with wearing a 9.5, but this is too big, and I think somebody will appreciate this in their closet. Next I have another meal again. Is by this brand, Franco Sarto. Yeah, so I really like the details in the front of these. Really pretty. This is also leather upper, and this is an 8 medium. Like it's never been worn. Next we have this beautiful fringe boots. It's new to me brand, and I'm gonna give it a try because I heard other posture talks about it. It's by the brand Joa, and I look at the combs for this. It looks pretty good. Details going around it is in great condition. There's no wear whatsoever, and look at the bottom. It doesn't even look like it's been worn. So yeah, so I'll give this a try. I hope it does well. This is a size 37. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's a 7.5. I'm not sure, but yeah. And next is this ASOS white platform sneakers. I bought this for myself a long time ago, but I haven't worn it. It's a size 40, and I will be listing this also. I know it's not the season, but like I said, people are always on the look for things that are in season and things that are out of season. I mean, I for one does it all the time. So next is this beautiful booties. I really like this angle boots. Is by the brand Clerks Cushion. I'm not sure this brand. It's a size 7, so I'm sure my girlfriend is watching this right now, and she will kind of want it. And my sister too. They are all size 7. I'm the only person with the big feet, so this is really gorgeous. If this was in my size, I was gonna keep it. It's beautiful. I really like the dark brown color. I'm looking for something like this. The buckle details over there, and it has a zip on the side. It is brand new with tag. Next is this beauty. And like I said, I'm sure my sister and my girlfriend is watching this video, and I think this is their size. No, I think this is a little small. So this is a size 6. This is a new to me brand that I'm going to try to list and see how it does. I think the brand is KLR. I'm not sure if you guys can see the symbol over there. The resale value is pretty higher end, and it's leather upper. I mean, the details on this is really pretty. It has a snap thing, and then you can open it in the front and see the inside. It's like new. It's like it's never been worn. The material is pretty thick. So perfect for the snow as well. I don't know if you want to wear this nice shoes in the snow. So I really like this boots. I love the detail. I like it's well made. The leather is pretty thick, but it's not that rubbery thick. It's soft as well. The details around the buckle is really pretty. I wish these were my size. It's a size 6. I will be listing these because I'm tempted to try to squeeze my feet in here. But so if you're familiar with this brand, you can leave a comment down below. So next we have this beautiful Calvin Klein heels. I just love the details on this faux suede heels. And I mean, the heel height is not that high for me. I would have kept it if it was like at least 4 or 5 inches, because that's how high I like my heels to be. Although sometimes I'll wear kitten heels. But yeah, so this, and also this is a size, oh, this is 8.5. Usually I'll try to squeeze in an 8.5, but I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm gonna list these in my closet. Check it out. It's in like new condition. It just had a little bit of dirt at the bottom, but it's in like new condition. There's no discoloration or stain on the suede, so that's a good sign. And yeah, and it's a size 8.5 Calvin Klein. So next we have this beautiful Steve Madden black heels. I have one already listed in my closet in a nude color, so I thought I should pick this up. I sold one before that I owned out of my own closet, sold pretty quickly, so I thought I should pick up this. As you can see, the bottom is in great condition. It looks like it hasn't been worn, and the size is it's a size 8. Next we have this beautiful heels from Zara. I have it in a red already listed in my closet. This one looks like it's been worn a lot, and it's a size 40, which is my size, but I'm selling the red that I pulled out of my closet. I don't think I'm interested in this style, but this is really pretty. And alright guys, so I will stop it there. I will pick it up later. My son just woke up and I have to turn to him. So thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys on my next video. Whatever I didn't go through, I'm gonna record this and put it on my Instagram story, so don't forget to check it out. And I gotta get to him. I'll talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for watching my video.